The Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court is scheduled to conduct a major hearing today in the alleged rape and death of a 19-year-old Dalit girl in Hathras, Uttar Pradesh. The victim's family left for Lucknow in the morning under tight security. On October 1st, the court took suo motu cognizance into the matter. The court has summoned the state's additional chief secretary, Avanish Awasthi, DGP HC Awasthi, ADG Law and Order Prashant Kumar, DM and SP of Hathras. The victim's family also has to appear in the court for testimony. Vinod Shahi will advocate for the state government in the High Court, while the court has appointed senior advocate JN Mathur as amicus curiae. The victim's family left Hathras at around 5 a.m. on Monday morning. The victim's parents, two brothers and a sister-in-law are going to Lucknow. SDM Anjali, Gangwar and CO Shailendra Bajpai have commanded the security system. 6 vehicles will escort the family of the victim, who will be seated in the 2 vehicles. Brother of the victim said that the family will tell the court whatever has happened with them. Earlier, the brother had refused to go to Lucknow on Sunday night and he feared that anything could happen to them at night. The tradition of movie stars joining politics in Tamil Nadu is decades old, but the BJP, which has captured much of the Hindi heartland electorally, has struggled to find a foothold in the state. However, ahead of the crucial Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, BJP's lurch to find a face in the state may end. Speculations are that actress turned politician Khushbu Sundar might join BJP. Khushbu, who was in Congress till this morning, was removed by the party from the post of party spokesperson. Khushbu Sundar left DMK in 2014 and joined its coalition party in the state Congress. Meanwhile, she left for Delhi on Sunday. Earlier on the question of joining the BJP, she said that she does not want to comment on it. And when asked if she is still in the Congress party, she replied, "I don't want to say anything." It is clear that the BJP is looking for a face for 2021 assembly elections in Tamil Nadu. There is still no big face in the party that can change the image of BJP in the state. Popular star Khushbu has been associated with many parties even before this. The economic capital of the country, Mumbai, faced a major power outage in the early hours of Monday morning. It was soon revealed that the power outage wasn't limited to a particular area, but entire MMR faced a blackout. Areas including Mumbai Central, Thane, Andheri, Jogeshwari, Wadala, Chembur, Borivali, Dadar, Kandivali, Mira Road and Bhandu faced power cuts. According to the reports, there was an interruption in the traction power at 10:05 hours due to the grid failure of Tata Power Company. Thus, the services between Churchgate and Borivali are suspended. Authorities said that the electricity supply will resume as soon as traction of power supply is restored, which may take more than 2 hours. However, power supply from MSETCL is still available at Vasai Road and it has been extended to run essential suburban trains between Borivali to Virar. The train services on Central and Harbour Line were also stopped. Commuters are requested not to panic and maintain social distancing. Meanwhile, the COVID hospitals in the city have been given 6 hours of backup. The air quality in Delhi deteriorated on Monday morning as the pollutants increased, turning the atmosphere into several areas as hazardous. According to Delhi Pollution Control Committee data, the air quality index was recorded poor with 275 AQI in Anand Vihar, 263 in Rohini, 275 in ITO and 229 in Nehru Nagar. However, a report in Hindustan Times quoted the scientists at Indian Meteorological Department and the Union Ministry of Earth Sciences as saying that the pollution levels in the national capital are likely to decrease on Monday after 5 days of poor air and reach the moderate zone. The new coronavirus may remain infectious for weeks on banknotes, glass and other common surfaces, according to a research by Australia's top biosecurity laboratory that highlights the risk from paper currency, touchscreen devices and grab handles and rails. Scientists at the Australian Centre for Disease Preparedness showed that SARS-CoV-2 is extremely robust, surviving for 28 days on smooth surfaces such as glass, found on mobile phone screen and plastic banknotes at room temperature or 20 degrees Celsius. That compares with 17 days survival for the flu virus.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.